Uniswap, the true market leader when it comes to decentralized automated market maker, is ready with Uniswap version 4. You see, Uniswap version 3 was released back in May 2021, and this was truly a game changer, as it introduced concentrated liquidity, at least where liquidity could be provisioned over a specific price range, which led to a massive improvement to the DEX's capital efficiency. This obviously helped Uniswap maintain its spot as DeFi's largest decentralized exchange, and currently the protocol is having a 57.4% share of all on-chain trading volumes. This is more than 3 times that of its next largest competitor. So the main question is, will version 4 have a similar impact as version 3 had? Well, today I will try to answer this question and tell you everything related to Uniswap version 4. But as always, before we start, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps. You see, I believe that the market has seen its low with Bitcoin hitting 15,000. And it's just a matter of time before we will take off and hit, most likely, I believe in 2025, Bitcoin will hit 250,000K. So trust me, or believe me, or don't. Now is the time to educate yourself. Now is the time to identify the market leaders of tomorrow and pick them up at 50 to 90% from their all-time highs. This opportunity won't last forever. You see, it is with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you with top quality projects. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams so that you can become among the 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I'm the host of the littlest crypto channel on the interweb. But just remember, everything I say and do is not financial advice. You need to do your own research, because in the end of the day, I don't know shit about crypto. First, let's look at the price, and the live uni price today is around $4.37, and the current market cap ranking is number 23 with a live market cap of almost 2.5 billion, trading at 90% below its all-time high, which was recorded on May the 3rd, 2021, which could potentially generate more than 900% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. But now let's get into the version 4. First topic is hooks. You see, Uniswap version 4 is the latest upgrade of the Uniswap protocol, and it introduces the concept of hooks. Now, these are customizable plugins that allow developers to define specific actions to be executed at different stages of a liquidity pool's life cycle. Now, unlike the tightly coupled sequence of events in Uniswap version 3, hooks will provide pool developers with the flexibility to integrate code that performs actions before or after swaps, liquidity adjustments, or changes to the LP positions. Now, the introduction of hooks opens up a range of possibilities for innovation based on the Uniswap protocol. The Singleton. So the second big change brought about by Uniswap version 4 is the introduction of the Singleton. As its name suggests, the Singleton is a single contract that contains all the different pools within the Uniswap version 4. You see, this is different from the previous iterations of Uniswap, where each pool was held within its own, kind of like an isolated contract. So this model significantly improves version 4's gas efficiency, as complex swaps will be routed through a single contract rather than multiple different ones, which is obviously highly gas intensive if it were to go through multiple ones, right? Another part of the update of V4 is governance, release, and distribution. So the Uniswap version 4 will be governed by the Uniswap DAO and uni holders, as always. Just like version 2 and 3 before it. The protocol will include a fee switch, which Uniswap governance can activate on a pool-by-pool basis in order to take a cut of the fees generated by the liquidity providers. And this update is actually kind of important because version 4 will be released under a business source license 1.1, which will last for 4 years and will limit the use of the protocol to governance approved entities, which basically means now that as we're going to see the transition from traditional to digital, that a lot of new established companies that will want to get access to Uniswap's automated market maker protocol will actually have to get a license. And this also means revenue and income for Uniswap. These were the main bullet points regarding the version 4. Now let's go in and have a look at some recent news. Now, non-fungible token trading is also available on Uniswap. So Uniswap users will be able to trade digital collectibles across OpenSea, X2, Y2, LuxRare, SudoSwap, Lava Labs, Foundation and NFT20 marketplaces using the platform's NFT aggregator tool. In addition, the platform says its new open-sourced universal router contract can save users up to 15% on gas fees compared to other NFT aggregators. And even more news, DeFi exchange Uniswap has just launched a mobile wallet. So Uniswap, they launched a mobile wallet application to promote, obviously, wider DeFi wallet adoption and support on-the-go trading. So you can trade from the bus or when you're having dinner with Grandma Betty. Now, the Uniswap mobile wallet is intended to enable users to buy crypto, offering what the protocol says is a competitive 2.55% fiat on-ramp fee. So users can actually swap funds on popular DeFi platforms, including Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism, all within the Ethereum ecosystem. Now, the wallet features in-app token price and NFT data, allowing users to favorite tokens and wallet addresses so that they can track the trading activity that matters most to them or to you and me. So before we end, let's look at some future price predictions to see what the sentiment is like. And let me just point out here, because I often get some comments, these price predictions are not mine, right? So the first one comes from cryptopredictions.com, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2023 of $6.85 and $12 in 2025. The second one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predict that the price will hit $9.55 in 2023 and $15.94 in 2025. Now, the last prediction comes from cryptocurrencyprediction.com, and they're basing their future price prediction on a fundamental approach. And they're seeing a high in 2023 of $15.28, and listen to this, $73.59 in 2025. Now, before we end, I will like to give my own price prediction that you can then come back to me if it's not going to be right. Now, mine is very optimistic and bullish, but I do believe that we could potentially hit $150 somewhere between 2025 to 2030. But just remember, do your own research. Nothing should be considered financial advice because, as you know, I don't know shit about crypto. Anyway, in case this video brought you any kind of value, do me a favor. Hit the like, smash the button and all them goodies. Come join the live streams. And sometimes the live streams are on, sometimes they're not. But the main thing is, and don't forget this, Kitty, she loves you.